Welcome to WritersER, your beacon of light in the sometimes foggy world of academic writing. Whether you're tackling a dissertation, thesis, or any major project for your master's or PhD, knowing how to harness the full potential of your research approach is key. Today, we're zooming in on qualitative research, a method rich with depth, detail, and human insight, and we're going to unlock its power together. Before we dive deeper, let's define qualitative research. It's a research strategy that focuses on understanding the quality or nature of human experiences and social phenomena. Unlike quantitative research, which seeks to quantify and measure, qualitative research delves into the how and why behind people's behaviors, attitudes, and interactions. It prioritizes the subjective experiences of individuals, drawing on methods like interviews, focus groups, observation, and textual analysis to gather rich descriptive data. First, clarity is crucial. Before you even start, have a clear idea of what you want to explore. It might seem obvious, but it's easy to drift off course in the vast ocean of qualitative research. Your research question should be like a lighthouse guiding you through the fog. It's your why, the reason you're embarking on this journey. Have you ever found yourself lost in the complexity of your research? How did you find your way back? Share your experiences in the comments below. Next, immerse yourself. Qualitative research is all about getting close to your subject. Whether through interviews, observations, or exploring documents and media, dive deep. The more immersed you are, the richer your findings will be. But remember, it's not just about collecting data. It's about understanding it. Look for patterns, themes, and meanings. It is where your research starts to come alive. Speaking of data, let's talk about organization. With qualitative research, you're likely to gather a massive amount of information. Keeping it organized is critical. Use digital tools, coding, or even old-school index cards. Whatever works to help you sift through your data and make sense of it. A well-organized data set is like a well-tended garden. It allows the most important findings to grow and flourish. Now on to analysis. That is where the magic happens, where you transform raw data into insights. Approach your data with an open mind. Be ready to see connections you didn't expect and to let your findings shape your narrative rather than forcing them to fit preconceived notions. This openness can lead to breakthroughs in understanding your topic. Ethics must be balanced in qualitative research. You're often dealing with people's personal stories and sensitive information. Treat your subjects with respect, ensure confidentiality, and navigate the ethical dimensions of your work with care. This respect for your subjects not only ensures the integrity of your research, but also deepens the trust, and therefore the richness of the information shared. Finally, tell a story. Your findings are not just data points, they are part of a larger narrative. Crafting a compelling story from your research doesn't just make your work more interesting, it makes it more impactful. It's how you connect your audience to your findings, showing not just what you discovered, but why it matters. As we wrap up today's guide to unleashing the power of qualitative research, think about the stories you want to tell through your work. What strategies will you employ to ensure these stories are not only heard, but resonate with your audience? Drop your thoughts and any questions in the comments. Let's keep the conversation going. And if you found these insights helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WritersER. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable resources and tips for academic writers like you. Remember, qualitative research offers a unique lens through which to view the world, revealing the depth and complexity of human experience. Embrace these strategies, dive deep into your subjects, and let the power of qualitative research illuminate your academic journey. Stay curious, stay engaged, and let's unlock the potential of your research together.